I repeat, it is by myself, Justice Munib Akhtar, Muhammad Ali Mazhar, Aisha Malik, Atar Minallah, Sayyid Hassan Ali Rizvi, Shahid Waheed, and Irfan Sadat Khan. For detailed reasons to be recorded later and subject to what is set out therein by way of amplification or explanation or otherwise, these appeals are decided in the following terms. Number one, the impugned judgment dated 25th of March 24 of the learned full bench of the High Court is set aside to the extent it is or may be inconsistent with this order or the detailed reasons. Number two, the order of the Election Commission of Pakistan dated 1st of March 2024 is declared to be ultra vires the Constitution without lawful authority and of no legal effect. 3. The notifications of various dates whereby the persons respectively mentioned therein, being the persons identified in the Commission's notification dated 13th of May 2024, have been declared to be returned candidates for reserved seats for women and minorities in the national and provincial assemblies, are declared to be ultra vires the Constitution without lawful authority and of no legal effect, and are quashed from 6th of May 2024 onwards, being the date an interim order was made by the court in CPLA number 13289 of 24, the leave petitions out of which the instant appeals arise. 4. It is declared that the lack or denial of an election symbol does not in any manner affect the constitutional and legal rights of a political party to participate in an election, whether general or by, and to field candidates, and the Commission is under a constitutional duty to act and construe and apply all statutory provisions accordingly. Number 5. It is declared that for the purposes and within the meaning of paragraphs D and E of clause 6 of Article 51 and paragraph C of clause 3 of Article 106 of the Constitution, Pakistan